In this video, I'll talk about how you can change your bank account on Webull. Now what you want to do is you want to unlink your own and then you want to add your new. So the way that you can do this is you want to download the Webull app, log in, click on the Webull logo, go to transfers, withdraw, click on the greater than sign or lesser than sign and select your current bank account. Now once you've done that, you want to click on details and delete bank account. Now you have removed your bank account, so now you have to add a new bank account. Go to the transfer section, click deposit, enter your new bank account, follow the on-screen instructions, and then complete it to link your new one. Now once you've done this, you have completely changed the bank account on your Webull account. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.